Alright, you can see right here I've made over $40,000 with YouTube Music Royalties. And my promise to you is that by the end of this video, you'll also know exactly how to make money with YouTube Shorts Music Royalties. And I feel so confident about that if I don't deliver on that promise by the end, feel free to block me on YouTube and never watch a single video from me again. Let's get into it. So firstly, what is YouTube Shorts Music Royalties? Well, it's basically a way to earn extra money from just putting songs on the YouTube Shorts that you were already posting. So for example, you might know Sambucha, the guy with 10 million subs and who uploads all these Shorts videos. Well, if we check his channel, we can see that every single video that he uploads has a Blastoff music sound on the video. And Blastoff Music is actually the company that's paying him. And he does this because Blastoff Music is paying him for every single song that he uses on his short. And all you have to do to get the same thing on your channel is go to the link in the description and sign up for Blastoff Music. You'll see a link like this. You can just click get started, and then I think signing in with Google is the quickest, so that's all you have to do. Once you create an account, I recommend going through the tutorial here, which explains everything pretty in depth, but basically all you have to do right here is click on my channels and click connect a YouTube account. Make sure that you're in line with all of their policies and click I understand, and then you can just connect your YouTube account to Blastoff. After this, you can look through their music library to find which songs work best with the type of content that you make. So if you post emotional/sad content, you can go to the emotional/sad genre and then see which songs work best with your content here. And then as you can see in the tutorial here, once you upload a video to YouTube from your phone, you can just find the Blastoff music song that you want. And then you have to make sure that the volume you upload it at is at least at 15%. Otherwise, you won't make any money from it. So you have to make sure it's at least at 15 so that you can actually earn. And then within a few days, it'll be tracked on your earnings tab or also on the homepage, and you can see exactly how much money you made and your RPM. Now, to show you where my earnings came from, it actually came from my YouTube Shorts automation channels, which I'm completely transparent which ones I own and how much money they made. So this one I don't own, but this is how I got into YouTube automation. And this channel right here is printing like crazy, and this is my co-founder's channel. He posts cute animal stories, and that's basically how we got into the niche. Then we scaled up that same concept on other channels, like this one called Stories Told, and this one right here called Loving Creatures. And as you can see in every video that we posted, we would use the Blastoff music audio. We would always use this song called Echoes of Solitude. And yeah, we were able to absolutely print with this. Now you might be asking, well, how do I increase my RPM? Well, the two biggest things that contribute to it is number one, where is your audience from? So the higher percentage of a US based audience you can get, the more money you'll be able to make per 1,000 views that you get. And the second thing is if your content is longer, you'll have a much higher RPM. So if your content is under 30 seconds, RPMs can drop really low, sometimes as low as like 1 cent per 1,000 views. But if your videos are over 30 seconds long, you will be able to make a lot more money with music. Most people are between like 7 to 15 cents if you can actually have long videos that target people in the US, which is crazy because it means that this is a whole extra revenue source on top of what YouTube is paying you for the videos that you're already posting. So yeah, and just to show you where this money's actually coming from, because I know it kind of sounds like the money's coming out of nowhere, and it's like, how is Blastoff Music having enough money to pay you for this? The way that it actually works is based on YouTube's ad revenue program. So normally YouTube has an ad revenue program like this, and it splits up the total revenue made from ads in a single month into two pools, one for creators and one for musicians. As a creator, you get paid only based on your share of the creator pools, and musicians get paid based on their share of the views within the music pool. But before music royalties were introduced, there was no way for creators to tap at all into the music pool until music royalty companies like Blastoff came around. It starts with the same model, but they said, wait, if we can just tell people to use our songs, that gives us more money from the YouTube music pool, which means that for the extra revenue that the creator brings in because they were able to get us more views on our song and give us a higher share of the music pool, we can actually split that revenue with them 50-50. And so that's how Blastoff Media works. When you get extra views on their song, they cut you back an extra 50%, so now your total pool of money is higher, and they also keep 50% for themselves, which is good for them because they were able to get more views on their music and now make more money from it as well. So in this way, all parties are actually extremely happy. And again, as a creator, this means that you actually get to earn a lot more money from doing something you were low-key gonna do anyways. So again, the link to Blastoff will be in the description. It's extremely easy to sign up and start, and it's completely free. And if this video did deliver on the promise that I set at the beginning, please consider leaving a like on this video. It would mean a lot. And as always, thank you guys all so much for watching the video. I'll catch you all in the next one, and peace.